All right, it is that time of the month again. It is Battlebox time. If you're unfamiliar with Battlebox, it is a subscription service. Most of the time it's survival or outdoor type of gear. It's a monthly subscription box that comes in 4 different tiers. You have the basic, the pro, the basic, the advanced, the pro, and the pro plus box. So this one here is Mission Brief 120. This is actually the 10th year anniversary of Battlebox, so hoping we get some really neat stuff in there. But let's go ahead and see what we get. So like I mentioned, it is 4 different tiers. Whatever tier that you purchase, you get that and everything that's below that tier. So we'll go through starting at the base and work our way up. So first we have the basic box. We get an Exotac Fire Sleeve Mini, which is this here. So basically it is a rubber silicone cover for your lighter. Who am I kidding? It's a lighter condom. Okay, so it does have a loop down at the bottom to put it on a key ring. Looks like it takes a Bic Mini. You would slide that Bic Mini in there. Cover goes on there, and then it is watertight, so that way you don't get your lighter wet. And then it has this little flap here. So, you know, if you've ever tried to hold a lighter lit for a while, it gets kind of hot on your thumb. Well, that little lip will slip over the pedal or the plunger that lets the gas go through to keep that lighter on at all times. I do not have a lighter to show you it installed, but that's the way that works. All right, moving right along. Next we have the Dextreme fire plugs. All right, so this is a 50 count of Dextreme fire plugs. These are fire starters. They're waterproof. They're supposed to burn for 5+ minutes. Fast ignition. Basically you bend it in half, rub the 2 halves against each other in a circular motion to break the plug into 2, and ignite the exposed fibers with a spark from a ferro rod or a flame. Alright, so that's what they look like there. Like you said, you'll bend it in half, kind of break it, and then twist it around until it rips in 2, and then you would just light those frays for you to be able to ignite a fire. Always good to have some fire plugs handy. I keep some a little bit all over the place. Some in the car, some on the boat, in my survival kits, obviously, in my go bags, just all over the place. So if I was ever hit with a spark, I might die. Who knows? All right, next we have the Uberlebenzenden. We have a ferro rod, okay? All right, and that is what it looks like there. It does say it's a Battlebox exclusive. Let's take a look and see what we get. So that is definitely a good heavy duty ferro rod. You got a striker here. This is kind of a plastic handle, then the rod itself. And let's see if we can't. Not sure. Let me try to block this light. Get it a little bit closer for you. So it definitely throws some good spark. So just like along with the fire plugs, I definitely keep as many of these around as I can also, because worst case scenario, these will pretty much always work for you. All right, so that was everything in the basic box. Like I said, we got the lighter condom, we've got the fire plugs, and then we've got the ferro rod itself. And Lord knows, if you're going to make a fire, you should be able to put a fire out. So first thing that we get in the advanced box is the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. So that is this here. So the way it works is we're just going to pull this open, and then that fire blanket will come out. Let's see. It doesn't show on here what size it is. So basically we know one of the things that fire needs to continue to burn is oxygen. And these are basically designed to snuff out the oxygen from the flame. So that is my full wingspan, so it's probably close to 6 feet by maybe 3 or 4 feet. Let's see if it says on here. Certainly does not. 47 inches by 71 inches. So it's pretty close. So this is something that I will definitely keep in the kitchen by the stove, because that's how good I can cook. And we'll fold that up in a bit so we can keep on keeping on. All right, next thing we have is Prepared Hero Dual Spray Protection Kit. So this comes with a Vapor Clean fire spray. This can be used on ordinary solid materials, grease and oil, electrical equipment, and flammable liquid. So just your regular type of fire extinguisher. It has your safety pull tab. You would pull that out and then point and spray. So it looks like it has a 5-year lifespan on it. Then you have the dry stop, which this is going to be, again, ordinary solid materials, cooking oils, gas and vapor, electrical equipment, and flammable liquids. So yeah, nice little dual pack. I think I'll probably keep these in the camper just because I only have a single one in there. So I'll keep the fire blanket at home and I'll keep these in the camper. Okay, so that was everything in the advanced box. So we went from fire making to fire killing. And the Pro Box, we have a Kelly kettle, Trekker camp kettle, and hobo stove. So that is this bad boy right here. So it is 1.5 pounds in weight. When on the cooking base, it is 11.4 inches high and 5.5 inches wide, and it will hold 20 ounces of water. So let's take a look at this. So it's supposed to boil water fast outdoors using natural fuel, works in all weathers. Okay, so very interesting. I was wondering why it was saying that this thing would only hold 20 ounces of water, because as you can see, it's fairly large. Well, that's why. It is completely hollow in the middle. So there's an inner wall and an outer wall, and the water sits in between. So that heat source comes straight up the middle. So I'm sure that definitely helps it boil much quicker. So let's see if we can see how it is we're supposed to do this. Okay, so we've got a few different options here. So this is the base, or where the fire goes. So you'll put your fuel source in the bottom, light it through here, and then you can toss this on the top to cook. Or you can put your kettle straight on top there. So, like I said, you would start your fire on the bottom. You'll pull that little bung out. Pull your bung out of your bung hole. Fill that up with water. And then here you have a arrow that says point down. So you would point down. All right, once it gets to the point where it is boiling, you'll pull that off the fire. Carefully remove your bung, and then use this chain to kind of help you pour the water out, so that way you're not touching the actual kettle and burning yourself. So, excuse me. So pretty little ingenious kettle there. And then it comes with its own little carry bag here. So let's see what we can do. And bam, just like that, you got yourself a little portable kettle. So that will definitely, without a doubt, find its way into my camping stuff. Okay, and that is everything in the Pro Box. And last but not least, the Pro Plus box. I do not subscribe to the Pro Plus box because really it's kind of like a knife of the club, or excuse me, knife of the month club. But this is what you would get in the Pro Plus box. And that is a Civivi Cloud Peak fixed blade. The handle's OD green, G10 with nickel silver guard. Blade is a satin finish D2 steel. Sheath is made out of brown leather with a black lanyard. The overall length is 9.51 inches. Blade length is 4.6 inches. And the cutting edge length is 4.17 inches. So it's definitely a sharp looking knife, pun intended. But yeah, overall pretty happy with that box. Definitely love fire making equipment. Definitely love safety equipment. And really digging this kettle at the same time. So no complaints for me on this box without a doubt. So they definitely did a real good job with their 10-year anniversary box. So I'll put the prices for everything off to one of these sides here, wherever I put it while I'm editing, and give you kind of the grand total. I'll also put the link for battlebox.com so you can go and see how much those subscription boxes are versus me saying anything in case if it changes. Just so that way you can kind of see if you're actually getting the value for your money. Usually when I look up the prices, I try to find the cheapest price, and that's what I put there, so that way, you know, we're not just going off of what somebody else says that the prices are. Well, I guess we are, but not the company that's putting it together. So if you have any questions about anything that was in this box or Battlebox, please put that down in the comment section below. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. And if there's anything that you want to see reviewed on this channel, just put that down in the comment section also. And I'll reach out to the company, see if we can't get our hands on it. If there is something that you want reviewed and there's something in particular that you want tested on it, please put that there also so I can try to get that done during the video. Other than that, that's going to do it. See you next time. Bye.